Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHEARTAIRBRUSH. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful romantic wedding guest look. Yes, if you are a guest to a wedding and you don't know how to do your makeup or you don't have any inspiration, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this soft, beautiful look. I recently wore this to my cousin's wedding. It was a wedding held in South San Francisco. It was absolutely beautiful and so much fun. I did post this look on Instagram. You guys showed a little bit of interest in wanting to know how I got it, so today is your lucky day. We're gonna get down with it. So if you're interested in learning how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so to start this look off, you want to apply Dinair Glamour shade Dark Peach Pink mixed with Marsala at a 1:1 ratio to the transition crease area like so. If you have Dinair Glamour shade Bronze Rose, that will do really well also. I just ran out of that shade, but if you have it, you can go ahead and skip the mixing of the two shades. As you can see, like I did here, it's super easy to substitute shades when you run out, so never fear, just go ahead and mix them if you need to. Then you want to take Dinair Shimmer shade Deep Purple, and you want to apply that to the outer corner, outer V of the lid, blending it into the natural fold like I'm doing here. That'll add some nice depth and dimension, and because it's also a shimmer shade, it'll give a little bit of a pop. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to blend in toward the mid lid, just on the crease area. Okay, next you want to take Dinair Colair Opalescent shade Island Sands and apply that to the mid lid, blending it up toward and over the transition area like so. You don't want to cover too much of the mixture that you have in the transition. Go ahead and add the pop to the tear duct, to the brow bone, and why not highlight the rest of your face as well. This shade makes a beautiful highlighter. It's absolutely stunning, especially if you have medium to tan skin tone. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and take Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and just apply your airliner like so. If you're not into the more intense airliner shade, go ahead and use dark brown. That's a great substitution also. Then to go ahead and deepen the outer corner, I'm just going to go ahead and take some of that Jet Black and apply that just to the outer V like so, giving it a nice soft blend. Then taking my Mary Kay Lash Lift Mascara, I'm going to heavily coat my lashes because in order for the magnetic lashes that I'm going to be using for this look to hold on, you definitely have to coat your lashes enough. That way the magnetic strips have something to grip onto, if that makes any sense. I will be doing a video on the magnetic lashes and how I get them to work because it can be a little difficult to apply. And here I'm using the Style 110s, and that's the Ardell Magnetic Lashes. And this is the finished look. Sweet, romantic, super easy to do in a pinch, and it's absolutely stunning. I hope you guys like. And this is the finished look. Yes, it was beautiful. It was such an amazing wedding, and you know, this look is very simple, easy, go-to look if you are trying to look a little romantic for that wedding time setting, girl. Yes. So I want to go ahead and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your patience with me. I know being on vacation, it's kind of like, oh my God, where'd you go? But you know your girl ain't gonna go nowhere, okay? I just needed a little bit of time with my family, of course, because you know I do have a family of 5, 3 baby boys, Mama Ann, and your girl, okay? So I just needed a little vacation to go hang out with the fam, go see some extended family members, and it was a great time. I absolutely loved it, and I really can't wait to do it again. So maybe I'll take you guys with me next time, huh? Ideas, girl. Anyways, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and remember to hit that subscribe button as always. And remember that if you are subscribed, or if you choose to subscribe today, don't forget to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video, of course. Alright, thanks again, and I hope to see you all in my next one. I always do that wrong. Always. One more again, girl. One more again. Bye.